This is H1 Smart Flight Controller. Maybe you have those questions. What functions does it have? With multiple precise sensors, it can go with rod pushing and stop while releasing. How about 3D? So easy. Yes, that is one key to invert. The helicopter can hovering when inverted flight. It allows you to easily control the inverted flight, and there is also a 3D manual mode. Just like the gyroscope, all kinds of acrobatic can be performed at your disposal. What kind of helicopter can use it? 280 to 800 class and mainstream 120-degree fly-by-less helicopters on the market. There is mainstream helicopter parameters, one-click input, convenient and fast. The helicopter flew far by accident, do not worry. The flight controller supports one-key return. As long as you gently shift the rod, the helicopter will fly back automatically. The flight control also supports low voltage return. When the battery of the helicopter reaches the voltage you set, the helicopter will also return automatically. I am a beginner. It doesn't matter. There is a key route function which allows you to become a flying expert in seconds. Circular routes and 8-character routes can be done with one click.